Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Junrei and you are watching Cruise Ship PH. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Kumusta? It's already May. May na tayo. May, kalagitnaan na tayo ng May. Again, welcome back to the channel. Pauwi na po ako sa July 2. So excited na ako and ini-enjoy ko na lang yung mga remaining weeks ko on board. So for today's video, we are going to talk about the things that you need to bring when you are embarking on a cruise ship for work. So this video has been requested by Mr. J. Carlos Cabusaw. Hello sir, shout out sa'yo and congratulations at Pagsampa ka na. He's going to embark in one of the ships of MSC. So congratulations sir, God bless on your career on board. And thank you for requesting this video. And sorry if it takes a little bit while bago siya na-upload because medyo tinatamad na tayo lumabas kasi nga mas gusto kong matulog. Yun. So, para maging ready kayo at para maging ready kayo, maging ready kayo sa inyong pagsampa sa barko, magbibigay ako ng mga bagay na kailangan yung dalhin, na kailangan yung ilagay sa inyong mga maleta para hindi kayo mahirapan pagdating nyo on board because hindi naman lahat nakukuha natin on board. So, yung mga personal things natin, yung mga ginagamit natin na mga bagay, kailangan natin dalhin on board. So, simulan na natin. So magsisimula po tayo mula sa ulo pababa. So ito yung mga personal things na kailangan nating dalhin. So number 1 is gel. So gel or wax. So yun para sa ating buhok. Number 2, shampoo. So maraming shampoo. Kailangan nyo magdala ng madaming gel, madaming shampoo. Good for 8 to 9 months. So starting from now, mag-estimate ka na kung ilan bang gel na uubos ko sa isang week o ilan bang shampoo na uubos ko sa isang week, and then you multiply hanggang umabot siya ng 9 months. Although hindi naman kailangan, not necessarily that you have to bring all these things for good for 9 months, because we have the chance to go outside and to buy these things also. So we can go for grocery if ever we run out of these things or these personal necessities. But then it's still better to bring all of these things or personal necessities good for 9 months so you don't have to spend anything, because as we all know, the prices will vary. So in the Philippines, it's a little bit cheaper if you compared buying here abroad or wherever you will go or wherever country that you will be going. So yun po, gel, shampoo, suklay, then razor. I say razor kasi yung iba dito nagdadala na ng razor kasi kahit hindi sila nagugupit ng ibang tao, because usually yung mga ibang crew dito mas gugustuhin na lang nila na magpa-semikalbo or magpakalbo para mabilis lang yung, para hindi na mahirapan sa haircut, tapos hindi na kailangan ng gel and everything. Tapos ayun, hindi na kailangan ng gel, hindi na kailangan gupitan, diretso na lang semikalbo. Pero it's your choice. And then after that, yung facial or skincare mo, dalhin mo lahat. Yung mga facial routine mo, facial care, yung mga moisturizer mo, yung mga yung mga moisturizer mo, mga cream, mga linalagay mo sa mukha. Then for the ladies, makeup. So kailangan nyo yung makeup for your, alam nyo na yun. And then shave, para sa mga lalaki, shave. So we have to shave every day. So every single day. Hindi pwedeng makita na may facial hair ka, because especially when you are working in the restaurant, dapat every day you are shaved. So yun. And then cotton buds, important also cotton buds to clean your ears. Toothbrush and toothpaste, yun, dalhin mo yun. Madaming toothbrush and toothpaste, good for 9 months, much better. Lotion. So I say lotion because the water that we're using here on board is from the sea. So it's sea water. Tas ano na lang siya, treated lang siya. It's treated water, so tendency you will get drier skin, especially during the first week until the first month. So you will get dry skin because of the water. So much better if you bring moisturizer or lotion. And then deodorant, a lot of deodorant if you want, good for 9 months. And then perfume. So we still also need perfume, especially when we are working in the restaurant or in the guests area. So kailangan ng perfume. Alcohol, pwede din magdala ng alcohol. And remember, ilagay mo yung alcohol mo sa luggage check-in luggage mo, kasi you're not allowed to carry certain amount of liquid, or maximum you are only entitled to bring limited ml or ml, yes, limited ml of liquid on your hand carry, or yes, hand carry. And then nail cutter. So nail cutter, kailangan mo din yung nail cutter. And a lot of underwear. So a lot of underwears, kailangan mo magdala ng underwears, so you don't have to wash every day. You don't have to wash like after 3 days, 4 days. So you better bring, like, let's say underwear good for 3 weeks or 2 weeks minimum. So yan, hindi ka na mahirapan maglaba ng maglaba. And then after that, you bring also your eyeglasses. Eyeglasses, much better if you bring an extra one, kasi baka masira yan or ano mangyari dyan. And or sunglasses, so to protect our eyes din kung lalabas tayo kasi mas sobrang init. And then one more thing, this happened to me. I brought 2 sunglasses. I brought 2 eyeglasses, pero nasira yung isa. So, tas hindi ko masyadong gusto yung isa. So, ang nangyari, bumili pa ako ng super glue or mighty band sa Pilipinas para sa atin. Super glue. So, naghintay pa ako ng port na makakabili ako ng super glue para magamit ko yung eyeglasses ko. So, much better if you bring din super glue or mighty band. And then, not only the eyeglasses, pati yung, if you have denture, if you are using denture or false teeth, then super glue or mighty band might come in handy. So dikit-dikit muna kasi we don't have dentist on board. So yun, malaking tulong yun. And then pwede ka din magdala ng mga panlaba, mga powder or even bar detergent soap para sa inyong paglalaba sa inyong uniform. If you want to wash your personal clothes, pwede kayong maglaba sa loob ng CR and then ihang nyo lang doon. Pwede yun. And then, pero we have a washing machine on board, so you don't have to worry about that. And then another thing is sewing kit or yung mga pangtahi, yung mga papangtahi. Oo, kailangan mo yung dalhin kasi minsan napupunit yung mga pero meron naman tayong on board, meron naman tayong taga-tahi on board. Seamstress ba yan or tailor? Yes, tailor. Meron naman tayong tailor on board, pero much better kung meron ka ding personal na mga pantahi kasi mas mabilis mong magawa. Oo, okay. Kasi may mga schedule din, para may mga schedule yung tailor natin. So what if anuhan ka, napunit yung mo, tapos sarado yung tailor, so meron ka, magagawan mo agad ng paraan. And then what else? I have here belt. So belt, bring an extra belt also, sinturon, para mas safe ka. And then shoes, although we have shoes on board, I think it's still much better if you bring your personal shoes, like yung pang duty, like yung black shoes or rubber shoes. You can also bring rubber shoes, but I'm suggesting that you bring black shoes kasi yung pang duty, kasi syempre yung paa mo mag-a-adjust pa sa shoes on board. And sometimes walang available na size ng sapatos na mag-fit sa'yo. Oo, ganun. May mga possibility na ganun. So, it's way better if you bring your black shoes na pang duty. Just make sure it's all black. And then socks or medyas, a lot. So, madaming medyas. Good for 3 weeks na medyas kasi para hindi ka maglaba ng maglaba. And then imagine you will be staying on board for 9 months, so much better if you bring good for 9 months na socks, or let's say good for 3 weeks, kasi pwede ka naman bumili if ever yung mga sira-sira. Pero for me, nagdadala ako ng good for 3 weeks, tapos umaabot naman siya ng 9 months. Just buy a quality socks. Pero ako, yung binibili ko yung socks, yung mga medyas lang na nasa Quiapo or sa Divisoria, yung tig 50, tig 100 ba yan, 150, tapos madami na siya. Tapos madami yung binibili ko, siguro let's say mga 50 na medyas lahat, para may extra, ganun. And then you can also bring white long sleeve. So, pero ako hindi na ako nadala kasi bumibili na lang ako on board. Pero ikaw, if you have or if you prefer, you can also buy white long sleeve, especially when you are working in the restaurant. And then pants or slacks, black slacks. So pwede kang magdala yung sayo. Ako nagdala ako sa Pilipinas kasi what we have here on board is yung malalaki. And then kailangan mo pa siyang ipa-alter doon sa tailor. Pero ang problema kasi, when you come on board, start na agad ng duty mo. So you don't have, it's not like when you come on board, bukas pa yung duty mo. No. When you come on board, mga siguro after 3 or 4 hours, duty ka na agad. So I think it's much better. No, not I think. I'm suggesting you to bring black pants, personal black pants, para tama yung fit, tas tama yung kasya sa'yo, hindi ka na kailangan pa problema kasi pag dito on board malalaki tapos kailangan pa again yun. And then belt, nasabi ko na kanina, sinturon, much better if you bring extra as well. Soap, yung personal soap mo, yung sa sabon mo sa katawan mo, but we also have soap na na supply dito on board. Pwede ka lang manghihingi ka lang, pero ako din ako nanghihingi doon kasi pipila ka na naman ganun. Pero and then syempre may sarili tayong mga preference sa mga sabon-sabon natin, so yun. Tapos another thing is ointment yung katulad yung ganito. Baka naman sponsor yung mga para sa mga kasukasuan natin. Minsan sumasakit yung likod natin, yung mga buto-buto, mga ganyan, mga lamig-lamig. So yan, importante din yan. Magdala ka medicine. So medicine, magdala ka. If you are a first timer, I'm suggesting that you bring also mga Bonamine or mga seasick pill. Although pwede ka naman manghingi sa medical center ng seasick pill. Pero magdala ka na lang din ng Bonamine para mas mabilis. Hindi mo na kailangan manghingi doon. Tapos medicine, magdala ka ng mga biogesic, mga paracetamol, mga mefenamic, yung mga medicine na usually na binibili natin, na kailangan din natin, yung maaasahan lagi natin ng mga medicine. Tapos vitamins or supplements. So kailangan mo yung mga vitamins at supplement, mas maganda yon kasi para yung katawan mo is condition. And then yung pagkain natin on board is most of the time paulit-ulit na lang. So yung mga hindi lahat nakukuha ng nutrients. So mas maganda pag may supplement ka. And then the most important thing is food. When I say food, kasama na dyan yung noodles. A lot of noodles, mga pancit canton, mga beef noodles, mga chicken noodles, so mga canned goods, mga Argentina, mga meatloaf, mga ganyan. So dalhin mo yan kasi mamimiss mo yan on board. So para ka rin nagdala ng mga grocery sa mga luggage mo, I suggest you bring 2 or 3 luggages. 2 luggages is fine. So iba yung para sa mga damit at iba yung para sa pagkain, yun. And then yung mga seasoning din, yung mga Mang Tomas, yung mga yung hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga seasoning. Yung Mang Tomas, yung mga patis, yes, you can bring that. Yung mga nilalagay, yung maliliit lang na container nilalagay sa mga plastic bottles, yun, pwede yun. And then what else? So yun lang po. Yun lang naman. So yun yung mga kailangan na dalhin mo. Uniform wise, yes, you can bring the white long sleeve, black pants, shoes, yun yung mga kailangan mong dalhin. So far, yun yung mga usual na dinadala ko whenever I come on board. So nire-ready ko na yun, let's say 2 days before ng flight ko kasi ayoko mag-rush. So make sure i-double check mo yung mga dala mo kasi mahirap na. Pero don't worry naman din kasi when you come on board, pwede ka na, kunwari may nakalimutan ka, pwede ka manghingi sa mga kasamahan mo or bumili sa labas kung nakapag-adjust ka na and kung pwede ka nang lumabas din. So yun. So those are the things that you need to bring if you are joining the ship. So ayun, I hope may nakuha ka. I hope na this video na makatulong sa iyo sa iyong pagsampa. Again, congratulations Sir J. Carlos Cabusao. Welcome to MSC, welcome to the family. Enjoy mo lang yung career mo on board. And then also congratulations to Sir Gian Carpizo. Sir Gian Carpizo also is joining MSC ship. And then Sir Angelo Gonzalez. So congratulations sa inyo, sir. I hope to meet you one day, or I hope to get to work with you soon in one of the ships of MSC. So, and for you who is watching right now, ituloy mo lang yung application mo. Just keep on praying. Pagsipagan mo lang yung pag-a-apply. And one day soon makakasampa ka din, and yun, makakasampa ka din. So maraming salamat sa pagpapanood again for this video. If you have any suggestion, if you have something na kailangan nating pag-usapan, feel free to leave a comment, and then susubukan ko na magawa natin ng video. So again, maraming salamat sa pagpapanood ng video na ito, and God bless and good luck sa inyong pag-a-apply and pagpa-process sa inyong application. And ayun, ingat po tayong lahat, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.